Welcome to Code Genius. Today we are going to see how we can use span in our codes or in our web pages. If we go to this web page id-class HTML, just I right button click and open this page with live server, and we will find this page. All right, now say for example I want to change this word into different color. Say for example I want to change it into a gold color. How we can do it? We can do it using span tag. Okay, let's go to our code and it's right here, and this is this code, I guess. Yes, it is web development, but we want to change the color. Tutorials, so we will write here a span tag. Closing tag will be just after the word that we want to make change, and just here we can say style. Okay, and color, we want gold. All right, just save it, right button click, and see, this has been changed into gold color from red color. And now say for example we want to bring change to a very specific word of the last paragraph or specific line. We want to change from this line, okay, and just one line. So what we can do, we can go here and go to the last p tag. Let's change it here and just write span. Okay, and just take it, save it, and go to index.css, and I will take span tag as a selector, and I just write color. I want to make it, say for example, blue. All right, now look, let's go here and save it, right button click, open with live server, and we see it has become blue. All right, thus we can bring change to any word or sentence or sentences within the page Even if we want to bring change to it, we can do it too. Okay, how? Say for example, there is an inline CSS, we can just remove it right here. And now we can see another magic. Right button click, and we see it has become blue because we removed inline CSS. Now it is applicable to both. Wherever we put span tag, everything will be included. That's all for today. If you like our short and sweet video tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next session.